Hey there, welcome to today's video. Today we're tackling a common problem that many of us have faced at some point, the dreaded issue of problem. Whether it's causing frustration or just a minor inconvenience, dealing with problem can be a real headache. But fear not, because we got a solution that will have you sorted in no time. Now, let's dive into the solution. The key to overcoming problem lies in solution. By implementing this straightforward approach, you'll be able to resolve problem efficiently and effectively. It's all about taking the right steps and following through with the process to see those pesky problems disappear. Trust me, once you give solution a try, you'll wonder why you ever let problem get to you in the first place. In summary, solution is the answer you've been looking for when it comes to problem. With a little bit of know-how and a willingness to tackle the issue head-on, you'll be able to conquer problem like a pro. So go ahead, give solution a shot, and say goodbye to problem once and for all. And remember, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment below with your thoughts. Thanks for watching, and until next time, happy troubleshooting.